So this right here is a device that we use for advertising. What it can do is it can detect certain attributes. For example, all I have to do is scan my face, it'll detect it, and it'll extract certain attributes such as my gender, my age, and my expression, as well as an attractiveness score. So for this, you can do a know your customer analysis for retailers or for marketing.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher, and guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family. It's a very imperative time we get back to learning finances and understanding how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we do not fall for the same tricks. Now guys, of course, we want to get into Bitcoin first. Bitcoin has a leg up. Guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual stable coins. I got alerts overnight. So basically, of course, the market has been going up overnight the same way when we went through the actual bull run back in 2017. When you woke up, that's when the actual coins were up. So guys, make sure that you're setting up those alerts. I have put that in the previous videos. So therefore, you know when the market is going up. Now, is the market going to keep going up? No, it's not. How do we know? XRP. XRP is the key factor, guys. XRP is going to let us know whether this market is we're going to have a bull run or this is just a fake out. And that's what this is, just a fake out. We know XRP hasn't moved, and we know that we have BitMEX and CME that's going to dump on us. So the fact is that we don't start back up until, of course, when the contracts begin again for next month, and BitMEX is the 5th of the month. So another thing as far as with XRP that's going to pump next month is, don't forget, the court case decision is going to happen next month. So XRP is going to have a liftoff, and when XRP gets a liftoff, what happens? Bitcoin gets that liftoff. So basically, we should get a good pump next month. But this right here is nothing but a fake out, guys. Don't forget about BitMEX and CME. They have to, guys, just like I said, make sure you are sticking to the fundamentals. Now we have, of course, I just put a little note in here as far as what Bach is concerned. They're going to be testing their app. They sent an email to me. I just wanted to show you that. They're definitely moving everything over. Remember, Bach is taking all of the exchange's information. All your information Bach is going to be using. So that app is going to be very, very important. So if you want to test it out as far as beta, definitely do that. Now, of course, we have the Fed printing money like crazy. We see that. Just like I said, don't forget to do your alerts as far as what a whale alert. Because whale alert is going to let us know when the actual market is going to be pumping and when it's going to be dumping. We also have Coinbase adding features. Coinbase does have one of the most seamless apps there is. Of course, they happen to go down when you're trading, and of course we know that's on purpose. But they're adding features also, and it's like I said, it's one of the best apps definitely out there to use. As far as if you're new and you want a seamless app. Now, guys, we're going to get into, of course, China again. Now, guys, we have ExxonMobil. I think they announced this back in April that they were building a $10 billion oil plant in China. So, guys, we know, what did they do? It's nothing but the Hegelian dialect. They talk about it, but then, of course, follow the money. So ExxonMobil is building a $10 billion plant inside of China, but we're supposed to be having issues with China. Guys, do not fall for it. We have China, of course, 7-1. I'm telling you, the United States dollar, take advantage of that. Go buy their stocks. Go play the currency game. Guys, it's 7-1. You have to invest in emerging markets. That's where their money is going. It only makes sense. Let's look at the Belt and Road. Look at all the countries inside this Belt and Road. The only one that's not included is the United States, guys. This is nothing but a setup. Now, we have the House who sent the bill as far as with China is concerned to Trump's desk. So we'll start seeing more and more sanctions and restrictions towards China. And of course, now Hong Kong, we were supposed to be protecting Hong Kong, all that good stuff. Now they've taken that back. No, Hong Kong is part of China. We're not worried about that. So we're starting to see this, like Anthony Sutton said, this China and this America battle coming together, guys. Remember I told you we'll have World War III. We need to make sure that we're getting our finances together, so therefore we're not caught into it. Now, we had YouTube, of course, was deleting criticism as far as with China's communist government. They were deleting tweets. Now, just like I said, guys, we know who owns Google. So the fact is, guys, it's all coming together. One thing you have to do is piece everything together. Now, of course, we have Boeing, who lays off 7,000 workers, and guys, Boeing pays great money. So we having these companies who are not, your jobs that are not paying you, a lot of money. These jobs right here are paying you $50, $60, $70, $80, $100,000, laying off people, and that's what really hurts. Really hurts the economy. Don't get me wrong, small businesses pay, but when you have these big corporations letting go, 7,000 workers are getting paid great money, that really hurts the economy. Now, just some funny news. We had the Health and Human Service question. They gave a $3 million contract to a company that was only open for 11 days as far as with making masks. I think it was for the Navajo tribe, but that is hilarious. It was only open for 11 days and got $3 million. So guys, if you own a business, make sure you're taking advantage of the programs. Make sure you're doing a deep dive so therefore you can get as much money. The fact is that we know they're printing money off the printing press. If you own an LLC, whatever business you may own, make sure you take advantage of that, because I know I've spoken to a lot of people that haven't taken advantage of it. They just letting it go. But no, guys, if they have the money out there, take advantage of it. And especially if you have employees, you can work a way where you don't have to worry about paying it back. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the book, Cryptoteacher, NWO book. I want to thank those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. And then also, don't forget about the stocks. You have your gaming, your cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking. Guys, never ever bet against the banks, as we can see. Also, everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about those stocks, the C word. Don't forget about the biotech stocks. Also, guys, everybody is sitting at home, drinking, smoking weed. It's actually, article came out that they're spending their stimulus checks on that. So don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.